Situated in the heart of Kyoto's historic Higashiyama district, is one of our favorite luxury hotels in the world, the Park Hyatt Kyoto. While in a similar tier hotel in New York or San Francisco, you might get high thread count sheets and wood-paneled elevators, the Park Hyatt Kyoto offers a different level of hospitality. Upon arrival, you're greeted by a team who whisk away your luggage and walk you through a tranquil and understated garden path to a comfortable and spacious lobby area. You don't check in at the counter. You're seated comfortably and offered your choice of beverage while the details are arranged for you.
We stayed in room 512, a corner garden room, which we were told was a special treat for this tier of rooms as there are only so many corner rooms. You can see here what makes this room so remarkable. It is like you are sleeping inside of a Japanese garden with floor-to-ceiling glass walls on both sides, giving tranquil views of a carefully manicured outdoor space that is all your own. Feeling a little exposed or need some shut-eye, you can bring down the translucent blinds or blackout shutters to suit your taste using convenient controls just to the side of the king bed.
The headboard was also equipped with this handy reading lamp. A nice touch, and this one managed to feel sturdy and sleek at the same time. The room also comes with a good-sized television. The television was positioned directly across from the table and love seat. We didn't use it much. By the front door, on the way into the room, the cabinets contain nice closet space, a drawer with included pajamas, and empty drawers for storage. You've also got a safe and additional storage, and another closet on the other side of the hallway with ironing equipment and hangers for more clothing storage. There's one more closet here as well. This room really does have a lot of storage space. We were able to unpack and tuck our rolling luggage away and not have to see it or think about it while we were here.
There's a bedside table with USB plugs and Japanese power ports. Most US plugs will fit, but read up and make your own decision about whether you want to purchase an adapter. The room comes equipped with double sinks and plenty of space. There was also a comfortable tub, and we were provided with a salt treatment to use for a bath. Definitely don't skip the opportunity to take advantage of this tub. It was very nice. Like most hotel bathrooms in Japan, the shower is part of the room and not in its own stall. This whole room is sort of the shower room.
The room came with soft bathrobes as well. Again, in keeping with Japanese practice, the toilet has its own closing room, which I wish would be a more popular practice here in the US. Japan seems like it's about a century ahead of anywhere else in terms of toilet technology. Auto-open lids, heated seats, and controls that look like they belong on a spaceship. Long story short, if you wanted to, this thing will use water jets to make sure you're squeaky clean, and it'll even dry you off when it's done. The room came with plenty of storage for towels, and there was a lacquered box with, in case you forgot, spare toiletries and materials like razors, combs, toothbrushes, and shower caps.
Another cool thing about this room is that you can close the bathroom off into its own little area with the vanity, shower and tub, and toilet separate from the rest of the space. There's also an entertainment area here with a mini bar and a hot drink station where you can make cocktails or coffee and tea. This drawer contains all of your tea-related materials. This drawer contains chilled beverages. This drawer is for the wines.
Before we arrived, Lori had informed them of our special occasion and notified them that we had a gluten-free party member. They provided gluten-free snacks, a 20th wedding anniversary cake, and these Kyoho grapes. Let's talk about the grapes for a second. Each grape was an explosion of flavor, tasting like everything good about a wine, sweet and rich in flavor. We were hooked, so it's a good thing they left us a second batch halfway through our stay. Let's go on a quick tour of the private garden. This is a great place to just take a little walk or sit and read. You do have to be a little careful. There's another guest room stacked directly on top of ours, and while it can't access the garden, they can see parts of it, so that's something to be aware of.
Let's take a look around the property. The fitness center is situated along a long hallway, equipped with an elliptical, a bike, and 2 treadmills. Boxed water and cool towels are available to help you cool down and stay hydrated. Further down the hall, and separate from the cardio area, is the weight space, with techno gym machines to help you work your shoulders, chest, quads, and hamstrings. There's also a set of light hand weights if you want some limited free weight exercise. There's a little seating area in case you brought someone with you who wants to relax while you work, and a techno gym rower in the corner over here. Back here is the pathway to the bathhouse. The hotel has a bathhouse with dry sauna, steam room, and cold and hot baths. We refrain from filming here to respect bather privacy.
The hallways in the hotel are peaceful and make great use of dim lighting to create a nice atmosphere. At night, you could hear frogs singing in the pond. There are plenty of long walkways through gardens and peaceful seating areas with great views for those who like a contemplative space to read or relax. There was also a small library stocked with various coffee table books. From certain areas of the hotel, it was possible to get a breathtaking view of Kyoto with the Osaka Pagoda in the foreground and distant hills in the background. That pagoda has been there since the 1400s.
On property, there was also a restaurant called the Kyoto Bistro. Seating was a little cramped sometimes. They would seat multiple parties on the same couch, which could get a little uncomfortable. Dinner on the first night was good. Dustin had fish and chips, which he enjoyed. For breakfast, you could get a choice of Western style or Japanese breakfast. For the Western style, you had access to a breakfast buffet with offerings like Cajun shrimp, yogurt, granola, and breakfast pastries, as well as your choice of included orderable items like avocado toast, French toast, or pancakes. The breakfast buffet did have signs on the menu that showed the allergens as well.
The Japanese breakfast was extensive and costly. You still had access to the breakfast buffet, but you also got a variety of traditional Japanese foods. It was good to try once, but we stuck with the Western breakfast the rest of the time. That's it for the Park Hyatt Kyoto. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. This is Places, Plates, and Points.